Hello everyone, today I am going to show you Amazfit T-Rex Ultra smartwatch video. Amazfit has now launched the T-Rex Ultra smartwatch in the US and UK. This is the most expensive T-Rex series smartwatch to date. Let's check out what the new rugged smartwatch has to. Stainless steel and mud-resistant design. It is an upgraded version of the original Amazfit T-Rex, with several new features and improvements. This rugged watch is constructed with super strong 316 L stainless steel, making it the perfect adventure companion. Mud-resistant hardware, built to withstand any kind of action. The patented mud-resistant bridge and buttons keep the watch's hardware free from sediment. AMOLED display. The Amazfit T-Rex Ultra has a 1.39 inches display. It has an AMOLED matrix with a resolution of 454 by 454 and a pixel density of 326 ppi. The watch is able to track multiple activities. 30 meters freediving support. Go freediving up to 30 meters 10 with the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra. Freediving is the practice of holding your breath when diving underwater without the use of breathing equipment, such as a scuba tank. Freediving is a way of life for some, a competitive sport for others, and a hobby for many. In freediving mode, the watch can track your dive time, maximum depth, and recovery time, and it also has a vibration alarm that can alert you when it is time to return to the surface. 10 ATM water resistance rating. While the watch has a water resistance rating of 10 ATM, which means it can withstand pressure equivalent to a depth of 100 meters, it is important to note that this rating is for still water. Offline map support. The Amazfit T-Rex Ultra does not have built-in offline maps, but it does have GPS functionality that can be used to track your location and route during outdoor activities such as hiking and running. You can use the GPS feature to track your distance, speed, and route, and the watch can also display a map of your route in real time. Download an offline map 5 from the Zep app to the watch, and your position on the map will update in real time as you navigate with a matching route file. Dual band GPS and route navigation. Go beyond adventure with the watch's dual band positioning and support for 6 satellite positioning systems, which can effectively reduce environmental interference and achieve more precise positioning. Hikers, climbers, and explorers of any fashion can also conquer new heights and discover new paths with the T-Rex Ultra's built-in compass and barometric altimeter. Strength exercise recognition. It monitors your fatigue level, fitness level, and training status to help you avoid overtraining and reduce the risk of injury or exhaustion. You can go to settings greater than workout detection and select a workout type to enable this feature. Ultra low temperature operation. The low temperature mode is turned off by default and needs to be enabled in the watch settings. After being enabled, whenever the temperature of the watch surface is lower than -10 to -30, the watch automatically enters low temperature mode and only limited functions can be engaged at this time. 20-day battery life. The Amazfit T-Rex Ultra boasts a 20-day battery life, which is impressive for a smartwatch with so many features. The long battery life is achieved through a combination of efficient hardware and software optimization. The watch has a 390 mAh battery that can last up to 18 days with regular use and up to 9 days with heavy use. To optimize the battery life, the watch uses a low-power display that is always on and can be easily read even in direct sunlight. Ultimate Outdo GPS Smartwatch. The Amazfit T-Rex Ultra is a rugged and durable smartwatch that is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who want a watch that can keep up with their active lifestyle. One of the key features of the T-Rex Ultra is its built-in GPS functionality. The watch uses GPS, GLONASS, and Beidou satellite systems to track your location and route during outdoor activity. This allows you to track your distance, speed, and route, and also provides you with accurate location data. Optical sensor. The watch has a range of sensors, including an optical heart rate sensor, barometer, compass, and accelerometer, which provide additional data for your outdoor activities. In addition to its outdoor features, the T-Rex Ultra also has smartwatch functionality, including notifications for calls, messages, and social media apps. It also has a range of health tracking features, such as sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and breathing exercises.